Man, public service announcement to all microwave gang members, right? Okay, shout outs to BJ from the Bounty Hunter Bloods. He the same one that checked Lil Wayne and Birdman for having their flag on the wrong side. Listen, man, real gang members, real niggas that really did this were kids, and this was handed to them. They didn't choose it. It was around. They looked left, they looked right, and there it was. And they said, oh shit, I have to adapt. Right? If you 20 years old, just now joining the gang, you failed. You're a fucking failure, because ain't nothing worse than a nigga that leads by the wrong example. You got kids watching you. Yeah, here you go, 20 years old, 25 years old. Chris Brown. Your bitch ass is not from Fruittown, Piru. No matter how much of a close friendship you have with them niggas, you are not, and you did not allow them niggas to take you in an alley and expose your age. You didn't knock knuckles, nigga. C-Mac, he goes through the motions so he can be called a real neighborhood 5-5. But again, C-Mac, you not a real nigga. We saw Swamp Stories, Ben exposed you. Why you in the feds, C-Mac, bro? This is directly to C-Mac. Why you in the feds? You need to get them tattoos removed. And you need to find you, nigga. You 19. That nigga joined neighborhood 55th Street when he was 19, 20. After claiming all them blocks. And after saying, fuck at neighborhood. Nigga, that shit was one for you, nigga. Nigga, I'll beat your ass. Nigga, you ain't even in shape for real. You squabble though, you ain't no hoe. But it's like, come on, man. Stop looking up to these niggas, man. I was Crip from 10 to 19, man. Stop playing. You niggas do this overnight shit, man. Who else we got? T-Rex. Dot Mob. T-Rex, the battle rapper. Nigga, 40 years old, and decided that a group of young niggas' opinions matter, so he went and got jumped on the rolling 60s. So, Dot Mob was getting hold that bad that your old ass had to go and prove that kind of a point? Stop playing, man. Stop playing with these kids, because they watching your dumb asses. Even the Bible said a disbeliever has a better chance of going into heaven than a nigga that misleads young people. Nigga. You didn't come up with that shit. You ain't shit but a money-giving groupie. When that money give out, guess what? Chris Brown, when that money run out, if it was to run out, I hope it don't, because I'm glad you successful. But if it runs out, guess what, nigga? You got to start shooting fades with niggas. Yeah. Fruittown gonna start asking for fades. They gonna be like, hey, cuz, hold this Glock. If that money run out, they gonna start asking you some real shit. You know what I'm saying? You pay them that money so you ain't gotta lift a finger. Now, if you better get back on that hamster wheel, make that money for Fruittown. Soldier Boy. Last but not least. I don't even think he's last. But definitely not. Soldier Boy, nigga, you was GD, nigga. Soldier Boy was a GD from Atlanta. Come on, man. You know the nigga told Mayweather he was gangbanging his whole life? Nigga, Mayweather should have said, what you start off claiming? Come on, man. If this shit was not handed to you at young age, do not pick it up. This shit is not a game. Nigga. I'm starting to pick up wind that a lot of gangs were created by evil cults as it is. You know? The CIA and the government kept this gang warfare going. How can you know that and still participate in it? fuck all you puppets, man. This Money Squeeze ENT. Like, comment, subscribe, do what you do. I really don't give a fuck.